Is your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3 battery draining too fast? This usually happens because of firmware issues, battery aging, or certain settings running in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to fix battery draining issues on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's get started. Solution 1. Reduce brightness. First, turn on the camera. Then swipe down to bring the menu option. Now tap on the brightness icon next to rotating icon. Now slide left to decrease the brightness. Solution 2. Change the video resolution or FPS. Turn on the camera, now swipe up to bring the resolution and FPS option. Remember that higher FPS drains battery faster. Higher means 4K resolution and 60 FPS. And make sure to select a little bit lower resolution and FPS. And avoid all-day recording, tracking, or Wi-Fi/live streaming unless necessary. Solution 3. Temperature considerations. Battery drains faster in extreme cold, like under 10 degrees Celsius, or extreme heat, like over 35 degrees Celsius. So, store and operate the Pocket 3 at room temperature for best battery life. Solution 4. Remove accessories. Remove battery handle, microphone, tripod, or wide-angle lens if not in use. Some accessories drain power even when the camera is off. And that's all. This is how you can fix battery draining issues on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.